You can't find 2 hours for date night? Try 15 minutes daily instead. 2 hours monthly is 0 minutes for 29 days. 15 minutes daily beats 2 hours monthly every time. What would you change if you connected daily, even briefly? What resentments never build when you process them in real time? Every evening, after dinner, before screens, 15 minutes. How are you? What happened today? Not logistics, connection. Your relationships thrive on attention, not hours. What happens if you keep waiting for time that never comes? Or what shifts when you commit to 15 minutes you can actually do? Tonight, 15 minutes. One question. How are you really? And see what's holding everything else back. To find out, take our free diagnostic. Link in bio.